Hello, and welcome to the English with Shadowing the podcast. Today, I'm here with you for another powerful session of real English training. This isn't just another language lesson. This is your dedicated space, your personal moment to truly unlock fluency, build unshakable confidence, and hear your voice grow stronger with every single sentence you speak. I am so glad you're here because it shows me that you are committed. It means you're not just passively hoping to improve your English, you're actively taking the necessary steps to become a real, confident speaker. In this training, we'll be diving deep into the shadowing technique, which is one of the most powerful and scientifically backed methods for mastering spoken English. Here's a quick reminder of how it works. I will read each sentence slowly, clearly, and with natural intonation. Then, I will pause for a moment so you have the perfect opportunity to repeat the sentence out loud. It might seem like a simple exercise, but this technique works wonders because it simultaneously trains your voice, your brain, and your rhythm. Over time, you will begin to think directly in English. You will stop the exhausting process of translating in your head, and you will start to sound more natural, clear, and expressive. This is not a lesson about memorizing abstract grammar rules. It's about actively practicing real English sentences and words that you can actually use in your daily life. We're focusing on sentences that make you feel something and sentences that reflect real, everyday situations. Whether you're in your room, on a walk, or sitting at your desk, make this time your own. Speak proudly, speak loudly, and speak as if English is already a part of who you are. Remember, fluency is a journey built one sentence at a time, and today you are building it. So let's begin. Listen to each sentence carefully, then repeat after me. Section 1. Daily Routines. I wake up at 6:30 every day. I brush my teeth and take a shower. I eat breakfast before work. I read a book before sleeping. I sleep at around 10 p.m. I cook simple meals at home. I clean my room every weekend. Section 2. Useful phrases. Could you repeat that, please? What do you mean? Can you help me? I don't understand. That's okay. Take your time. I agree with you. I'm not sure about that. Let me think. Can you speak slowly, please? That's a great idea. Section 3. Shopping and dining. How much is this? Can I pay with a card? I'd like to buy this. Do you have fresh vegetables? I'm just looking, thank you. What would you like to eat? I'll have a sandwich, please. This food tastes amazing. I'm full, thank you. Let's go out for dinner. Section 4. Family and friends. I have one brother and two sisters. My parents live in another city. I enjoy spending time with my family. My best friend is very kind. We talk every day. Do you have any siblings? My family supports me a lot. We watch movies together. I visit my grandparents on Sundays. I love family gatherings. Section 5. Expressing feelings. I'm feeling happy today. I'm a little tired. That makes me feel sad. I was very excited yesterday. I'm nervous about tomorrow. I feel relaxed now. I was angry, but I'm okay now. You made my day. I'm proud of my progress. It's a beautiful feeling. Section 6. Learning and studying. I'm learning English every day. I love practicing new words. Making mistakes helps me grow. I watch English videos online. I try to speak English with friends. Reading improves my vocabulary. I practice sentences in front of the mirror. Thinking in English helps a lot. I believe I can become fluent. Final message: the importance of consistency. Amazing job today. You didn't just listen, you practiced. You didn't just hope, You took action. And every single sentence you spoke helped shape a more confident, more fluent version of you. It's not always easy to show up and put in the work, but you did. And that's something to celebrate. Every time you shadow my voice, you are strengthening your own. You're becoming more relaxed, more natural, and more expressive in English. So, don't stop now. Come back tomorrow. Watch this video again. Repeat the sentences until they feel like your own. This journey isn't about being perfect. It's about being consistent. It's about being brave enough to speak even when you're unsure. You're not just learning English, you're living through English. I am genuinely proud of your effort. Keep speaking, keep believing, and I will see you in the next episode.